Hi Bogdan, lovely to be with you tonight and so glad to be in Spain when doing this mentorship with Pat. So you really have to come, and it's hard to tell you how to be here. You have to feel it. Whenever you're in one of Pat's mentorships and when you're in one of these courses, then you're there, you're in it, you're living it. He brings out the best in you. He allows you to feel what's in the room, the vibration of the people that's amongst you in these courses are really, really so good. The energy that you get from everybody is extraordinary. I've been round about Pat since September 2023. Whenever I went to his Make It Happen event, it was absolutely phenomenal. We had the gala after it, and then I followed up to Spain last year. His Make It Happen event, and then again to this year, and he's actually the best mentorship that you could possibly ask for, because he doesn't leave you. He keeps you there, and he keeps helping you, he keeps pushing you forwards, and he pokes a bear, if that's the right word to say. You can't be lazy if you're on a mentorship with Pat. There's no room for laziness, neither is, and he actually puts you in the place where you've got to be mentally as well as physically and financially for your business to grow. He is basically the best person to be in a mentorship with. Thank you, Pat. Thank you, Bogdan.